Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to Sam's Tech. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to size or export your videos for Instagram TV, which is a brand new video platform for creators. It is really simple, so without wasting any more time, let's get to it. I'm going to do this in Final Cut Pro 10, but it's pretty much the same in any other video editor. So first you want to have your clip in the editing timeline itself, and it should be looking just like a normal video. To size your video for IGTV, you want to click on Window, Project Properties, then click Modify. And this should pop up. Here, change the video format to custom and then interchange the resolution. Type 1080 where it says 1920 and 1920 where it says 1080 and click on OK. Now you will have a vertical video format with your clip in the middle. You can export your clip like this if you want the entire video to be visible but with these massive black bars on the top and bottom. But I think the right way would be to eliminate these black bars. So to do that, click on the transform button, then open the drop down menu and select crop. Next, click on the crop option, which is next to the trim option. Your video editor will automatically select the middle area of your clip, which is what I want for this clip as my face is in the middle. If you want to select some other area, you can easily drag the selection by clicking and dragging. Once you have selected your desired area, you could click on done. Now to export your video, just do it as you do with any other project and you will have a perfectly sized clip for Instagram TV. That is it for this tutorial. Don't forget to give this video a like. Also, the question for today's video is 1. What do you think about vertical video? And 2. Whether you think IGTV is the next YouTube? Drop your answers in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.